This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Walmart gift card for Robux. While you cannot directly use a Walmart gift card on the Roblox platform, there are two effective methods to convert its value into Robux. First, you can purchase a Roblox gift card using your Walmart gift card. Second, you have the option to acquire a virtual debit card with your Walmart gift card, which can then be used for purchases on Roblox. We'll walk through both simple processes step by step to get you playing your favorite games. Our first method involves purchasing a Roblox gift card. You can do this either by visiting a physical Walmart store or by shopping on their official website. Simply select a Roblox gift card with a value that is equal to or less than your Walmart gift card balance. During checkout, use your Walmart gift card as the payment method. Once you have the Roblox gift card code, head over to the Roblox website and redeem it to instantly add Robux to your account, ready for spending. The second convenient option is to use your Walmart gift card to purchase a virtual debit card, such as a Visa or MasterCard. Several online platforms allow you to convert your retail gift card balance into a virtual debit card. Make sure the virtual card has enough funds to cover your desired Robux purchase. Once you have the virtual debit card details, simply enter them as a payment method on the Roblox platform, just like you would with any regular credit or debit card. Confirm the transaction, and your Robux will be delivered. To ensure a smooth experience, always remember to check your Walmart gift card balance before attempting any purchases. Be mindful of any small fees that might be associated with acquiring a virtual debit card. It's also crucial to always conduct your transactions on the official Roblox website to protect your account information. While direct use isn't possible, these two indirect methods provide straightforward ways to turn your Walmart gift card into valuable Robux for endless fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.